Hello.
Hello, Naman.
Hi, Yash. How are you?
Hi, Naman. I'm good. How are you?
I am fine too. Uh, Good evening, all of you. Today with us is my ideal, my teacher, my brother, Mr. Yash Mathur is with us. He is currently in Abu Dhabi and working with Indica Groups as a procurement officer. Sorry, Yash, procurement officer.
That's
And
that's okay, Naman.
Uh, eh, let's talk about his studies. He has completed his BCA from RN College. That means he's an ex-RNite, and he recommended me to join RN College for better studies. After that, he completed MBA from Jaipuria Institute, Jaipur, and become the first student who take international placement from Jaipuria. All right, welcome, Yash.
Thank you, Naman. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Yash, are you ready for your interview?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
All right. Yes, being successful, what does according to you, what is the meaning of being successful?
For me, being successful is something when you can fulfill all your dreams, fulfill all your family's, needs, dreams, everything. That is what successful is. Successful is not money. Successful is happiness. I believe successful means someone who is, you know, who has accomplished everything. Not everything in life, because you cannot accomplish everything in life, but you know, you are at a stage, at a point of time that you can say that I have done something in my life. So that is what success is for me.
All right, yes, that was a very good answer of that question. I was not expecting that answer, but you are yes. Yes, yes. A personal question to you.
Yeah.
Uh, are you a successful person? I know this answer, but
I'm
I want to hear from your mouth.
No, I don't think so. I am right now because I'm still on that ladder. I have climbed, some steps of the ladder, but I'm still not at the top. Not at what I expect right now. I have things to do in my life. I have some more responsibilities to take care of. But yeah, I'm still on the ladder, I will say.
Like what responsibilities?
Family stuff we have, you know, to fulfill. There are some things that I have to do.
to
I
take
don't,
care of to take care of your parents, your grandparents, your family.
yes, exactly. My family.
You have said if you want to arrange something like love, money, and other thing, where money come from? Out of five, where money come?
I think people who say money is the most important thing is not right actually. Money is important because you require money to do you need money for survival. Money is an important thing, so it's not on the top of the list, but it's definitely in the top three. But the biggest thing is peace of mind that you have. That is on the top. You know,
Peace on the first
happiness of your
and
family.
peace on the
Happiness is on the second.
all right on
Happiness is
third.
on the second. Money is on the third, I guess, because uh, family is important. Family is important, but money, you require money to make your family happy. Family is on the third actually. Fourth is money, I guess. And I don't know what the fifth is. Fifth is time. Time, you require time for everything. I know, but with time comes the money. So money even jumps down. For now, money is on the fifth number.
Money is on
See,
fifth number.
money has an importance, but it jumps down when you think of it. My answer, you thought money is on the third, but I jumped it down because
On fifth.
yeah, because you have to set your priorities.
Yes.
With time, you understand this that money is not the most important thing. It is,
Money
it is in the top five, but money is not on the top.
money is on fifth. The
Yeah,
money priority is on five. All right,
yeah,
Yash. Yash, if success come, then failure also occur.
yes, exactly. You cannot get to the success if you don't have a failure.
Yash, what do you mean by failure then?
Failure, I don't think failure is something that should exist. It's just, it's just, When you try to do a thing, like for example, if you want to ride a horse, you have to try it first. If you fall down, that's not failure. It's a trial. You can go again. So there's nothing like failure. It's an it's a ladder again, I would say. If you skip one step, you will fall. You have to learn every step. So there is not failure. Failure is not like you failed, everything ends. No, you can try again. There's always a chance. You just have to try. So there is nothing like failure. I think there's no failure. You just learn from everything. It's an experience mostly that I think it goes on with time.
Oh, all right, Yash. So failure, the word isn't not in your dictionary. The word is
No,
not in
I
it.
don't think so.
So have you ever faced failure? If yes,
There
then
was
how? If yes, how did you face it?
there was a time that I thought I was a failure. Things were not working out for me. I was, you know, I was pushed down somewhere by myself also. Like I lost, that confidence that I have on myself. But with the experience, I gained back, and I never gave up. So now, if people say I'm successful, I don't think I'm successful yet. People say I'm successful. I don't believe in that. But for now, I'm still on the ladder. As I said earlier. But you know, if I have given up at that time, if I thought no, I cannot do it, I think I would be sitting at my home doing nothing in my life. But I didn't give up. So yeah, there was a time that I thought I was a failure. I thought I was a failure, but I never gave up on myself.
You
So
handle it very well at that
not
time.
very well, not very well, but yeah, I came up with something in my life. I
That means
came out of it.
you have handled failure.
Handed failure, yes.
Has there been such a time when you think that what am I doing? I think my priorities uh, are others. What I am doing here. Have you ever thought about that?
In life there is always a time for everyone. Then people think that what I'm doing in my life. It's not just me, it's for every other person you meet. He'll say the same, that there was a time in my life that I thought I'm doing nothing in my life. My life is a waste, or my life is not going on the right track. But you have to wait for the process to complete. Everything goes through a process. So that process is the tougher time. Like I work in a steel industry. So when we make steel or iron or anything else, it takes time. That time is the exact furnace that works, that makes the steel what it is, the hard one, right? So it takes that burn. So that burn is the time when you think like what I'm doing in my life, because you're not at the right, you're not at the end process right now. You're still in the working process. That furnace is your working process. It burns you from everywhere so that you can become strong from inside. And when you came out strong, people will appreciate you. So I think
And because
um,
and make you as their ideal.
yeah, that's your greatness, Naman, because you think I'm your idol. uh, but yeah, thank you for that you think that I'm your idol.
Thank you very much. Yes. What time do you think that the time was the best? Like school, college. Which time for you as the best time?
For me, school time was different. My friends were different. The environment was different. Yes, we had done a lot of things in school, but my post graduation time was the best. I believe my college life was much fun than what I did in my school time, because school time में थोड़ा restrictions होता है parents का. Parents like पढ़ाई करो पढ़ाई करो पढ़ाई करो, but हाँ, college में I
About
had
your
a lot of
second
fun.
school? About your second school?
My second school. Yeah, my second school, my third school actually. I went to three different schools. Uh, but yeah, it was fun. It was fun. I had a lot of friends I know.
Tell me about
Still,
your
I've been in
school.
contact.
Tell me about your school life. how it is different from college, and what was the best moment in your college? Because I
Um,
have already said that you are from Aryan, and
yeah.
I am also an Aryan, so we can connect more.
So you remember our annual fest that happens, the New Year function that we do. I was the coordinator. I had a lot of fun doing that. Coming up in the morning, setting up everything. I did hosting for the college for in the second year for the freshers. I did my induction time. That was very fun. Uh, in third year, we got actually an Infosys training program. That was the most fun time that we had. That is the actual time that I discovered myself. Ambud sir, if you remember Ambud sir,
Amut sir,
yes,
yes,
exactly.
yes, yes.
Yes, he was such a great person. He is one that bring the personality out of the people. He make me stand in front of 100 people in a classroom and said, what you're afraid of? You can speak to yourself. You can speak to them too. And I started speaking to myself. And I started speaking to them, and it worked. Now I cannot hesitate now because I'm standing in front of 100 people. I think, and if I don't speak, it's a fault. Then I started it, and that was very fun. After that, I had a great learning in Aryan. So in second year and third year, I had a lot of things that I did for myself, hosting and everything, and managing the events, going out for the college. It was such fun for me.
I think
There
are
was
you
a
thankful for to Aryan that what you are now?
definitely, definitely, because the confidence that I have today for myself, RN plays a very big role in it. I want to thank Amar sir and Ambud sir for bringing out what I am today. Because without Ambud sir's classes,
You have
we
taken
cannot.
the
Yeah, yeah, Naman, go on.
these are the best personalities, Amar sir.
Yeah,
They are the best personalities I ever met.
yeah, Ambud sir he's really great.
They are the Ambut sir is a very great personality.
Yeah.
Yes, we are on the second last question now. What would you like to advise me for future? Me.
Naman, I would like to advise you that take it easy. People stress out in life. People stress out. There are moments in life which give you a heavy stress in life. Where you think like I thought I went through it, like what I'm doing in my life. You face failure, you face rejections while you're going to an interviews and everything else, and everything is
Not
very
going according to
fuzzy.
you. Not going
Yeah,
according to you.
exactly, not going according to you. So you have to take care of yourself at that time. You do not have to lose your motivation. You do not have to lose your confidence. If you lose that, you lose yourself, and it takes a lot of time to come back from it. So
Uh,
for you, I'll say you have confidence, Naman, but just take it easy. You have confidence. You can speak very well. I can see that you have that confidence. You can speak in front of 1,000 people and you will not hesitate. I know it. So just uh, just keep it easy. Life will give you a big stress, a big time stress. Just don't let it mess with your head.
Thank you, Yash, for advising me. The last question. What would you like to advise your juniors from Aryan and Jaipurya both?
For them, life doesn't stop when you get rejected in one college or one company. Okay, you have to go on. You have to fight at every step. When you are still in college, you will learn something. So you have to keep learning, because learning never stops. You have time. You're in the first year. Learn, adapt things, try to bring change in you, try to be more confident about yourself. Because if you lose your confidence on yourself, then no one will be confident on you. That's the biggest thing. So never lose your confidence on yourself. That's all I'm gonna say.
All right, Yash. Thank you very much for joining me. I know it's you are in Dubai. the whole work is going on there, and you give me your time. Thank you very much, Yash. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Naman, for having me. It's great. It's an honor for me to come on to talk with you. I feel very honored. Thank you, Aaron, for just having me here. Thank you.
Thank you, Yash. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Naman.